everyone, and welcome to this session on how leading banks are maximizing engagement with a unified hub. Thank you so much for choosing to invest your precious time with us today. COVID-19 has made a profound impact on people and industry worldwide. In the case of banking industry, the impact is broader because in addition to managing your own business, you have also a social responsibility to help customers and communities get through this economic impact of the crisis. The customers' trust on banks is improving thanks to the impactful work done by you in the last few quarters. Especially so, empowering digital consumption across the board with digital payments, digital servicing, digital onboarding, and more, thereby enabling entire economies to run remotely. Even before COVID, our industry was being reshaped by the confluence of several forces. We find that there are 4 key areas driving engagement. First, demanding customers, unprecedented customer expectations, highly informed and vocal consumers, demographic shifts, and an aging population in the industrialized world are presenting challenges, but also opportunities. Customers expect their banks to accurately understand the needs and wants based on the information they have provided. Second, increasing competition. Non-traditional competition such as challenger banks, fintechs, technology giants are making it very hard for incumbent banks to protect their position. New entrants, digital-only banks, non-traditional players are getting a bigger pie of profitable relationship with customers. Third, technological changes. Newer digital technologies such as cloud, API, AI, RPA, and blockchain are enabling these new competitors to enter with innovative, low-cost, disruptive models to threaten incumbent banks that are still on legacy technology. Technology by itself is evolving at an unprecedented speed. And the last one, and the fourth one, is changing regulations. Capital adequacy norms, open banking regulations, and a host of other laws for consumer rights, data privacy, security, are placing a massive cost and compliance burden on banks. A new wave of disruption, more forceful and more pervasive than what we have seen in the recent years, will likely to unfold in the next decade. The combined effect of consumer demographic shifts, increasing competition, technological disruption, and sweeping changes to the nature of work, regulatory impacts could have serious implications for the banking industry. And the foremost among the drivers will be customer engagement. Today, we are in the age of experience. Better engagement is equal to more business. Give customers a great experience that makes them feel heard and appreciated. It minimizes friction, maximizes efficiency, and helps maintain the human-centric connection. They will buy more, be more loyal, and share their experiences with family and friends. For instance, a survey by American Express showed that 86% of customers are willing to pay more for better customer service. Thus, financial institutions that lead in customer experience are more likely to have customers increase their portfolio of new products and services from their bank. For banks, customer experience is a competitive advantage and a foundation for the next phase of growth. Sustainable business can be built if we engage better. It is worrying that not many banks are ready. Banks are struggling with application silos, channel silos, closed systems, that are not open banking friendly, and analytical friction preventing banks from anticipating and serving your customer needs. Banks need to break these silos with a holistic approach to customer engagement and customer experience management that puts the customer at the center of every interaction, anticipates the customer needs, and fulfills them equally well on all channels and devices. Engaging customers better requires a holistic 360 degrees engagement model that encompasses various layers of organization maturity. First, it starts with building and aligning people, process, and technology at its core, the foundational capabilities to drive readiness and customer-centric interactions. And then, second, bringing these capabilities to life in the context of ensuring deeper engagement across the complete customer relationship lifecycle to onboard better, converse better, service better, and sell better. Needless to say, third, these engagements should be possible across a broad range of traditional, contemporary, emerging, and open banking channels that a customer may choose to interact with the bank. Done right, with every interaction, the bank will help drive financial well-being and empower your customers to save, pay, invest, borrow, and insure better. To fully realize the digital promise, banks should elevate customer engagement by deploying an optimal mix of digital and human interactions. Intelligent use of data, novel partnerships, and compelling service delivery models. To thrive in this digital age, banks will need a strong foundation underpinning their digital engagement strategy. And to make this happen, a unified hub will be a key to getting to know and assist the customer better. I would now request Krishna to provide an insight into how Finacle Digital Engagement Hub can enable banks to maximize digital engagements and drive purposeful growth.
Thank you, Supriya. Finacle Digital Engagement Hub is an enterprise-class system of engagement that enables a personalized presentation and consumption of banking services for the entire customer lifecycle within the preferred consumption context in a channel-agnostic manner. Finacle, along with its ecosystem partners, help banks onboard, converse, service, and sell better to their retail, wealth, small business, and corporate customers. Banking experiences are provided on a broad range of traditional, modern, and emerging channels and devices. They include self-service channels, assisted channels used by internal users and external users, conversational experiences through chatbot, and digital assistants for voice-based solutions, all powered by APIs. With a unified engagement architecture, an open API-driven design, an extensive set of APIs that are embedded with relevant engagements, we are able to power innovation within the bank and outside, providing contextual and personalized interactions in all channels and devices for customers and prospects. The solution works seamlessly with Finacle backend applications and third-party applications such as core banking, payments, trade, and therefore a truly over-the-top solution. Our core promise is to enable banks drive deeper customer engagements, openness and agility for an innovation-led growth, and digital operational excellence. This is made possible by a unified engagement hub, a broad suite of digital experiences built on industry-leading architecture. Now let me show you how our hub enables banks onboard, converse, service, and sell better. Starting with onboard better. First impression is the best impression. This holds true for banks as well. Customers today are bombarded with an array of products and services. Customer onboarding is that one big opportunity to introduce a new customer to products or services of your bank. Finacle Engagement Hub helps banks simplify their onboarding process with a unified approach towards product selection, customer onboarding, and account origination. The solution offers financial tools to help customers and prospects check, assess, and pick the right products, an end-to-end digital onboarding which are multi-channel and multi-device enabled. The experience is made more frictionless with OCR-based document capture, biometric authentication, and many more. Digital KYC to make the process entirely paperless, and automated decisioning based on which a manual intervention is more by exception than by rule. This not only provides a seamless onboarding experience to the customer, but also an instant gratification through real-time account opening. This opens up many more opportunities for cross-sell and upsell and improves customer stickiness and loyalty. Let's now move to converse better. Customer needs and interests are personal and unique. Experiences provided by banks are expected to be tailored to those unique needs of a customer. Therefore, bank needs to invest resources, time to build the ability to converse better with every single customer of theirs. At the core of the Finacle promise of deeper customer engagement is a customer-led engagement architecture. This facilitates understanding of a customer to anticipating customer needs to nudging them to act in a certain way. There are three key elements. One, true KYC. This helps in really understanding and learning about the customer beyond what is in a document. It means understanding the buying behavior, decision making, preferences, emotions, and lot more. We also consider preferences which are both stated and implied. There are lots of situational and contextual information which also this engine taps into. It includes time, location, type of interaction about the customer. The aforementioned helps build a digital twin of the customer. 2, get personalized insights, leveraging the above data. We come out with diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive insights which help understand why an event is happening, what are the key trends, what can happen next, and what is the best solution for a customer. The third and the final element is surfacing these insights through relevant interventions, through customer interactions, either on assisted or unassisted channels, either on bank channels or third party. This is made possible through APIs that are embedded with insights that power integrated journeys, thus facilitating customer nudges, next best action, automated actions, and many more. And our solution does so with controls in place for managing customer data privacy and consent. Overall, these capabilities help deepen relationship with their customers and open opportunities for the bank to play a larger role in the financial well-being of a customer. Let's now move to how we support banks in servicing their customers better. The what of banking has remained same. It is the how that's gonna see change. Earlier, an authorized bank staff at a permitted branch, permitted time, permitted terminal used to service a customer. And now it's self-service and convenience to the fore, where anyone or any application can service the customer from anywhere and anytime. Customer interactions are moving from bank-owned traditional channels to bank-owned new channels to third-party owned channels. Examples include right from movement from branches to online and mobile banking, to chatbots, to digital assistants, and third-party owned channels. Research shows that customer interactions will have 50% transactions that will happen over third-party digital channels. Finacle helps bank with such changing dynamics effectively through customer convenience provided by touch points at the choice, which can be owned by the bank or third party. Access that is secured through robust entitlements, a comprehensive functional coverage offered to retail, wealth, small business, and corporate customers. This coupled with a centralized context management for consistent multi-channel journeys. Finacle also ensures that these experiences are surfaced with customer experience driven by our banking UX principles at the core. This will lead to an increase in digital adoption within the bank's customers and a migration of customers from high-cost channels and create more stickiness. The solution's advanced microservice-based design, cloud-native architecture help support high scalability and keep pace with the rapid changes in the digital world. Use of OpenStack components and automation reduce the TCO and increase the agility for the bank. Finally, how do we help banks sell better? It is critical that banks allow a frictionless discovery of relevant products and services by prospects and customers. It is also equally essential to follow through and fulfill the need of the customer. If done right, this can boost sales enormously. If not, it could be a detriment to the current customers and ultimately driving customers and prospects away. With the world having overwhelming array of products and their digital advertisements, banks need to vie for the customer's attention. For this, banks need to have an effective and efficient digital engagement strategy. It is critical not just to have a sales and marketing engine, but also have facility for personalized offers that can be consumed seamlessly by customers and prospects. Finacle and its partners offer prospect and lead management, campaign management, relationship-based pricing, all surfaced on assisted and unassisted channels. It presents personalized cross-sell and upsell offers at the right time, at the right place, which allow customers to save, invest, borrow, and insure themselves. The most inspiring part of our journey is to experience your success. It's most satisfying that banks running on Finacle have realized an average of 19% improvement on their NPS scores. It's also great to see our clients winning customer choice awards in their respective regions. It's your success and inputs that inspire us to perform better. I now invite Supriya to walk us through how leading global banks have leveraged our hub to design and deepen customer engagements.
Thank you, Krishna. Let me start now with some industry benchmarking before I move to some exceptional customer stories for you. Our suite is regarded as the best in the industry by leading analyst firms. We have been positioned as a clear leader in the Forrester Wave digital banking engagement platform, which evaluated 13 significant vendors over a 28 criteria evaluation, spanning across current offerings, strategy, and market presence. Finacle received 5 on 5 on 15 of the 28 criteria used for the evaluation. Finacle received the highest score among all vendors in the current offering strategy and the strategy category. Finacle also received the highest score on the key criteria of channel-specific banking capabilities, technology, architecture, and delivery, and was also the top scorer in product base and packaging, product vision, number of live installation, and breadth of offering. Now let me start onto those exceptional stories. To start with, I have Bank of the West, US, one of the largest regional banks in US with 600 branches in US, who decided to invest in a new treasury solution platform to deliver enhanced omnichannel experience to its corporate customers for information reporting, fraud prevention, products, and enterprise digital payments. Responding to new customer expectations and increasing velocity of change were the key drivers behind the bank's decision. The bank, through an extensive evaluation process, chose Finacle over several leading US-based and global providers for not only its robust capabilities and platform flexibility, but also its deep domain expertise, global reach, and willingness to be a true partner. The new treasury management solution with the Enterprise Payment Hub offers Bank of the West a robust platform to evolve rapidly for the growing market demands. The modern solution suite with an open infrastructure helps efficiently serve client demands while also providing enhanced capabilities, security, and personalization. Corporate and business customers can now perform a full suite of operations digitally from the unified bank portal, or embed bank services in their ERP and treasury systems. The solution enables the bank to streamline payments and offer an integrated digital experience. The digital transformation program is driving compelling results. Tailored customer journeys have seen an estimated 70% reduction in clicks for the same tasks. Rapid host-to-host and API connectivity has decreased client onboarding time by 75%. Double-digit month-to-month growth in real-time payment transactions. Over 150 transactions or events are now screened in real time through RSA and IRIS. The bank is one of the first institutions to offer RTP services, tailored information reporting, and extensive corporate admin capabilities. That's Bank of the West for you. Let's move on to the next case story. This bank is one of the 4 major banking organizations in Australia and one of the largest banks in New Zealand, serving over 13 million customers. The banking group offers a broad range of consumer, wealth, business, and corporate institutional banking services. This is for their operations in New Zealand that the bank wanted and was facing many challenges in servicing their corporate customers, especially on digital channels. Product silos with different systems for basic customer requirements. Disjointed customer experience leading to customer dissatisfaction and risk of attrition. Legacy system with limited business capabilities and hence an inability to expand digital business. Closed IT systems that were hindering open banking shifts in the ANZ market. Friction in harnessing the data and thus a lack of insightful, engaging experience for its customers. After having assessed multiple solution vendors in the market, the bank chose Finacle Digital Engagement Hub for its business and corporate banking operation. The hub, an enterprise class system of engagement, now enables the bank to provide insights-driven personalized customer experiences across channels, applications, and devices. The hub could work seamlessly with all back-end applications such as core banking, payments, channel applications, and provide API-based integration to the corporate customers' ERP solutions. Using the safe agile methodology, multiple disciplinary teams ran 6 sprints every 12 weeks, progressively rolling out new capabilities. The solution addresses now broader functional capabilities to meet existing and emerging requirements in this space to provide best-in-class banking services to its corporate customers. Having replaced all 3 legacy solutions, the bank is now processing over $1 billion New Zealand dollar business on Finacle Digital Engagement Hub. I hope you all found this session on how leading banks are maximizing digital engagements with a unified hub very useful. We now request you to take this poll to help us understand your interest in Finacle Digital Engagement Hub a little better. Thank you all for joining us today. Have a safe and wonderful year ahead.